Hello, dear and wonderful friends. Welcome to This Inside That. And today, we are going to be exploring the orgasmic noises of the male and the female. Okay? Let's start off with the male. So the male, I think after a while, he's just like... He probably makes something like that. More along the lines of like... Oh, shit. And it's so hard that it just knocks over everything in its path. It's... The female, I believe, is quite different. Now, what's this female we here think of? I know none of us have ever been inside one, right? Right? Because every one of you I know, they don't have a girlfriend. Except for you, scary toilet paper. Anyway. They probably make a noise along the lines of... Or maybe, even if you get one of those, like, deeper voiced girls, they're like... That is all. Join us for tomorrow's lesson.